Aloha and welcome to Exploring Aerial Yoga. My name is Patrick Faris and I am grateful to be coming to you here from the Air House in Hilo, Hawaii, where we have these wonderfully tall ceilings. So I get to share with you an amazing practice called Astronaut today, which suits perfect because I like to teach in the psychonautic style, which essentially translates into you are exploring your own psyche, your mind, all of your physical ability, mind, body, and spirit. So as we explore ourselves, we always want to make sure that we are working within the safety of our own capacity. Don't push yourself too hard here. We are working in silks instead of fabric today. So if you haven't worked in silks, please just follow along with your eyes. And when you are ready with your body, crash pad, maybe a spot. I actually have a spot off to the side today, but this is a little bit more of a daring and challenging pose. So please practice within your capacity at your own risk. That said, let's go ahead and start. We're going to stand, kind of prepping in a Vrikshasana pose here, coming into a tree, because with tree, we have that internal rotation of the foot, external rotation of the knee, and we're going to be pushing into the fabric, working into a J-hook climb or a Russian climb. So the other foot's going to come below, and it's going to cinch together and really just stand up on your foot. And there, our typical climb, easy to work with. We're going to go at least one full body's length up. If you have a great exit strategy, you can go higher, but please don't go higher if you don't have an exit strategy. Opening up that fabric, we're going to transition one hand through the front, the other hand through the front. Of course, my hands and my feet, 3 points of contact. When you go to 2 points here, it gets a little bit more dangerous. So please make sure you have the body strength for this. We're going to release our legs. They're going to come in front. We're going to invert. Legs go to the outside. One leg around, the other leg around. And because we do not have a lot of support here, fabric is loose in front of our shoulders, we lock at the knees, which is not a strong lock. Be aware as you decide to transition here quickly. Maybe you don't have fabric on your knees and it's a tighter lock. Fabric will make it a little more dangerous. 1, 2, 3, quick grab. And then straighten the legs out, coming up. I'm going to slide down just a little here so that you can see me better. Maybe a little more. And then as we are here, we are going to take one leg back and through the center, the other leg back and through the center. We're going to wrap around into a French lock here. From that French lock, we're going to lean forward, both hands. You're going to hold on and kind of turn me around to the camera here. Can you see me better? Hi. We have 2 poles, one over our shoulder, one behind our shoulder. The one that is behind our shoulder is locked into the poles above us. So grabbing the one that is behind our shoulders we want. Don't mistake them. Still locked in the feet, holding on to those poles. Arms are going to go long. And your hands, your hastas here, this is how you control. Keeping a good long spine, that's Sushumna Nadi, Mula, Uddiyana, Jalandhara, gazing up. When you are ready, releasing through the hands. Reverse the body weight. You can go slow, you can go fast, you can stop at any point. I especially love the way this creates a beautiful pose here. Slowly wrapping around. I definitely have some biting in the fabric. Be careful, this can be a ball buster. So as you come up, maybe slower. And this is one reason why we want to be near the floor, so that you have an easy exit. As mentioned, that is such a fun pose. You can stop and admire the stars at any time in that pose because you have control. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. Mahalo. Namaste.